It's happening. It's happening. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is really happening. Okay. She's ready. She's here. She's back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in... So rude. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess lifestyle. I know it's been a while, you know, it's been a few months. It's been 3 months to be exact, a little over, but that's okay. We're not counting, are we? No, we're not. I'm happy to be back, and I am back for a good cause. The Fenty Beauty cause, okay? You know I come back when it's a Fenty Beauty situation, you know what I'm saying? So Fenty Beauty just released their new bronzers today on April 5th, and I set my alarm and I woke up for it. I was ready. Were you ready? I know I was, but were you? Let me know. So I woke up and I got in my car and I headed straight to the mall, and I couldn't find parking. For some reason, everybody was up. I don't know if everybody was trying to get this bronzer, but everybody was up at the mall on this April 5th Friday doing God knows what. So I drove into JCPenney. I wanted to go to Sephora at first, but then I was like, I can't find parking where Sephora is and I'm not about to be walking. So I went to JCPenney, and they were actually just putting out the display for the bronzers. So I came in, I got my bronzers, and here they are. So I got the two darkest shades. One is Cocoa Naughty. That's the second darkest shade. And the other is called Mocha Mami. And this is the darkest shade. When I first heard that Fenty Beauty was releasing bronzers, I got very excited because I don't know about you guys, but I have a really serious thing for bronzers. I love bronzers. I love bronzing. Sometimes I don't wear foundation at all and I just wear bronzer. That's how serious bronzers are for me. So I was really excited, but then when I saw the shade range, I was like, what you mean? What are we doing? I don't understand what's going on, what's happening. How can we go from Cocoa Naughty to Mocha Mami? There's something going on. So I was like, wait, let me not judge. Let me take my time with this and let me do a review. So that's why I got both. Usually I would just get the darkest shade of whatever it is, but Mocha Mami looked very red. Like it was looking real bloody. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what is this? Let me show you guys what they look like. First of all, I need you all to take a second. I need you to take a second and I need you to take a breath and absorb this packaging. This is rose gold realness. This is rose gold realness right now, okay? This is a situation. It's a rose gold situation. This is freaking gorgeous. Oh, it's a mirror. I can see myself. It's a mirror. The packaging is a mirror. What's up? How you doing? Girl, you look good. I know, right? So this is Cocoa Naughty. I will say it looks a lot darker in person than it did online. It's giving a good shade. It looks like I might be able to do something with it. So that was Cocoa Naughty, and this is Mocha Mami. So Mocha Mami is definitely darker. So on my caramel cuties, you can definitely use this as a gorgeous blush. This looked a lot more red on Fenty Beauty's site than it's giving me here. Those who are worried about getting Mocha Mami, it's not as red as it looks on Instagram. Let's do our face so we can get into these bronzers. So I'm first gonna prime with my Farsali Unicorn Essence. And then I'm going to blur my pores with my Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I always put it where my pores are the largest. So now that we're all primed, we can get into the foundation. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 450. And I'm going to use 1 drop of my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. So I'm going for a full coverage look. Okay, so the foundation is on and it's looking flawless. Oof, I'm bringing heat today. This is a teeny bit too red for me, but I make it work anyway because the concealer balances it out. So now I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 400. And this is a very nice full coverage concealer. I love it. Blend quickly because this thing will set on you. And it blends out so beautifully. Now we can go in. You guys see how gorgeous that is? Freaking flawless, bro. Okay, as you can see, I'm looking like the baddest, per usual. Now I'm gonna go on with one of my favorite products ever. This is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Espresso. It is so versatile and I just love it, honey. And anybody that has difficulty using the matchsticks, warm it up between your thighs like I do mine. I literally either stick this in my cleavage or I stick it between my thighs. You know, I warm them up, okay? Get them warm and they blend out even easier. See that? Like a dream, honey. Blending out like a dream. All right, we're back. Everything is set. Whole face set. So now we can finally get into the bronzers. Here they are. So on this side of my face, I'm gonna be using Coco Naughty. And then on this side of my face, I'm gonna be using Mocha Mami. So let's do Coco Naughty first. Here goes. Oh wow. See, pictures are very deceiving. Pictures are extremely deceiving. This is a really good bronzer for dark skin. I thought it wasn't. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see what's happening right now? It's definitely bronzing me. All this chocolate. Albeit I did cream contour beforehand, but I mean, I plan to do that with every look that I do, so I don't know if it really matters, but this is definitely bronzing me. It's not as potent as I like my bronzers to be usually, but this is definitely working. I'm in shock. I was not expecting this to do anything. On my left and you guys' right hand side, I'm wearing Coco Naughty. You guys saw me apply it and this is what it looks like on me. I thought it would be like invisible or something on me, but it literally is warming up the face and making a distinction between my cheekbones and my jawline. I'm impressed. So that's Coco Naughty. So let's do Mocha Mami. See what that's giving. New clean brush. Oh, and you really don't get fallout with this at all. It's not hard to get it on the brush, but you still also don't get fallout, so that's good. All right, let's go. You guys catching this? Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's very pretty. This is beautiful. Ooh. Yeah, man, this is gorgeous. It's not as red as I thought it was gonna be at all. I thought it was like bloody, you know? I thought it was like a berry type of situation. So you don't need much with Mocha Mami at all. A little goes a long way. And this is gorgeous. Ooh, that's pretty. And it's not too red. That's why you guys gotta try it out before making any judgments. I don't know which one I like better. Honestly, it just depends on which kind of look you're trying to give, you know? I'd say Mocha Mami is more for a nighttime, you know, Miami Beach, you know, Cancun at night, wearing a robe, you know, loose fitting but short dress. When the wind blows, your booty cheeks show just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? That's what Mocha Mami is for. And then Coco Naughty is for when you gotta act like, you know, you got a clean record, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't have points on your license, you know what I'm saying? Like you haven't slashed a man's tires before, whether he deserved it or not. Okay? You gotta act like, you know, you're innocent. That's what Coco Naughty is for. Coco Naughty is for when you gotta go to court. Yeah. Mocha Mami is for when you gotta let a nigga know. You know what I'm saying? Which side do you guys like better? Coco Naughty side, Mocha Mami side. I want you guys to leave your comments down below so we can have a vote. I love both. I am obsessed. All right, Ree, you did it. You did it. I had questions. I did. I had a lot of questions, but you did it. I'll give you that. You know what I'm saying? I give it to you. You did it. I'm proud. I'm just gonna put on a lip really quick. I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty PMS. We're gonna go Dork and Vampy. So last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter that I almost broke just now. Ooh-wee. So I'm gonna spray my face with my Farsali Rose Gold Mist. Okay, so we are finished with this review. You guys saw me use both Fenty Beauty bronzers. Before putting on highlighter, you guys saw them in full effect, but now I have on highlights, so they're looking a little bit, teensy bit different, but you can still see this is Coco Naughty and this is Mocha Mami. Okay, Mocha Mami is the more red and Coco Naughty is the more, I don't know what to call it. I guess you could say brown, but it's not a good enough description. So this is Coco Naughty and this is Mocha Mami. So you guys let me know what you think of both bronzers in the comments section. If you have either of these bronzers or both or any bronzer from Fenty Beauty, let me know what you think of them in the comments. As far as getting them, I think they are an absolute must buy. They're very, very, very good. And it's refreshing to have a bronzer that doesn't have a glitter in it. Because you guys know I've been using my CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze for like a decade. I'm exaggerating, but however long those bronzers have been out is how long Princess has been using them. So it's refreshing to have a new bronzer and have one that doesn't have glitter in it. That is the end of this review. I'm happy to be back on YouTube, you guys, and I'm here to stay, okay, because I'm going to be filming in batches, so I'm going to have time to do it all. If you haven't subscribed already, you might want to. It's finna be lit. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, talk to me in the comments. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.